Today we're going to be installing the FitCamx Dash Cam in our 2023 F550 Super Duty. So now we're going to show you what's in the box. This is what comes in the box. So this is the connection that hooks up to your OEM mirror. This is a USB drive, a T20 tool and O-rings, and the camera itself, the owner's manual. So we're going to show you how to install this. This should be very easy.
Okay, so now we're going to take the included torque wrench and take off the original T20 screw here. Take that out, and we're going to take the supplied screw here and take our base plate here. The base plate, this right here, is going to go in the hole like so, and this just gets screwed in. Like this. I'm going to take the wrench. You just want to tighten this up so it's snug. Like that. Plate's in there pretty good. We're going to take the wires out of the OEM mirror and pull that right out. Just push up on this tab behind it. Pull it out like that. Now we're going to take this part and plug it in to the OEM part here, like so. And now we're going to plug this back into the mirror. Like so. You hear it click in. Now we're going to put the camera on here, and you'll see that it has these holes here, and that goes in the base plate here, and it just snaps in. Line that up. Push it in. And you're going to take the wire from the camera here and the wire from this, and you line it up to go in, and it's plugged in. Just like that. You can take the excess wire and stick it in the hole up here like that to get it out your way. And now the camera's hooked up. So now we're going to turn it on and show you how to use the app.
So make sure you download the FitCamx app and you connect it to Wi-Fi with the camera and your cell phone. Once it's connected, you can go to the main screen and see all the different settings. So what's nice about the settings is you can customize this to fit your needs. The FitCamx records everything in 4K, so the images are very, very sharp, and the angle from left to right off the hood is very good. At this point, you can select if you want to download the files, review the files, take a video, take a camera, etc. Like I was saying, the FitCamx, the video in the 4K is outstanding. It's very clear. This app is very user-friendly, easy to use. All you have to do is just have it set up on your phone, and you can download to your phone. You can also use the supplied SD card adapter. Here I'm going to show you how to get to your files and where you can download them to your phone or the SD card adapter. It is very easy to do, so if you ever got in a wreck or something happened, you can definitely pull this up fast.
So one of the biggest benefits that I like about this is there's no wires anymore that you have to put in or hide going on your dash. It doesn't take up any more room in your sockets because it's all put in right into the OEM mirror. So that's really cool. It's a really good clean install. You can't even see it.